All right, throttle cut on. First test flight I've been able to do. It's dark outside, so I'm in the garage. But yeah, first test flight of the WO Toys V950. And it looks like I've got it trimmed out just about right. But tomorrow we'll take her out to the flying fields and then we'll find out for sure. But yeah, real good test flight, shakedown flight, if you will. Well, I don't know if it's a shakedown flight, just a test flight, yeah. So there she is, pretty sexy bird there, folks. All right, I hope you join me for the full flight, which I'm going to do tomorrow. All right, thanks for watching. Signing off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.